Hi, today we are going to see how can we add the vectors or subtract the vector. As you can see in the diagram, we have two vectors CD and AB. So first of all, we need to find the CD vector in the column form. The CD vector in the column form, if you see, it is 3 unit down to the y-axis and 2 unit to the x-axis. So coordinate will be 2 and -3, which is in the form of the column vector. Same for the AB. So AB will be your 5 and 2. Now let's perform the addition. So for making this addition, we need to add them. AB plus CD, which is equal to 5 and 2 plus 2 and -3. Now what we need to do, we need to add this to this and this to this. So 5 plus 2, we got 7, and 2 minus 3, we got -1. So this is the addition of these two vector, and how we are going to represent in the diagram. We can represent in the diagram like this. So this is the addition of these two diagrams. As you can see, AB and CD, and this is the final resultant of this addition vector. Let's go for the subtraction. In the subtraction, same thing. I'm going to use the same thing. Now I'm going to do the subtraction. So now subtraction AB minus CD. AB coordinate was 5 and 2. And here it will be negative. CD is your 2 and 3, -3. So finally, it will be your 5 minus 2 and 2 minus -3. Careful about the negative sign. So it will be 3 and 5. So this is the resultant of that subtraction. We got it. How we can represent in the diagram? We can represent the diagram like this. So this is the diagram. As you can see, the representation of the vectors. So in this way, we can add and we can subtract the vectors. Let's take one more example here. Suppose we have vector A, which is 3 and 4 in the form of a column vector. B is 1 and a 4, and C is 4 minus 3. Let's perform the operation A plus B plus C. So it will be simply 3, 4, plus 1, 4 plus 4 minus 3, which will be your 3 plus 1 plus 4 and 4 plus 4 minus 3. Together it will be 8 and 5. Let's perform one more thing is there. Suppose we need to perform A minus B minus C. So that time it will be 3, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 4 minus 3. The numbers will be 3 minus 1 minus 4, 4 minus 4. Now this negative become plus. Careful about the sign convention. And then it's a 3 minus 1 minus 4, that is -2. And this is the 3. So in this way, you can find your addition and the subtraction of an vector by using the vector notation.